The recent celebration of learning was based on the theme of the Indus Valley Civilization was a remarkable showcase of experiential learning, creativity and student engagement. The project aimed to go beyond textbook knowledge by connecting the ancient history with the modern world. Students discovered that the blueprints of our future was drawn thousands of years ago.
5,000 years ago, the Indus Valley Civilization thrived in northwest India, an ancient precursor to the great peoples and empires of the subcontinent.
The journey didn't begin with the dusty books, but with the pre-modeling sessions where students were introduced to key concepts through guided discussion. The first step that was towards the whole process was the first one, that is, See, Think, Wonder of different pictures of IVC. Showing the videos related to the existence of IVC, discussing the different types of sources and demonstration of the timelines were the key features of these sessions. We also had a group discussions on the sources which they will need to know about the Harappan civilization. These sessions laid a strong foundation, enabling students to understand expectations and approach their task with clarity and creativity. To anchor their learning, students even went on a field trip to IIT Gandhinagar. This visit was a bridge between then and now. Professor V.N. Prabhakar and his team really helped the students and made them understand how that ancient wisdom still shapes our contemporary scientific approaches.
Every settlement they used to have several potters. It's an industrial scale they were doing that, right? So this is how they made different types of vessels, both unpainted and painted. You can see a lot of paintings were also made.
So they can use it for different purposes. They would haft it on a wooden stick and then they would skin different fruits, vegetables, or they would haft it on a wooden stick and use it as an arrow.
This is pottery from a Harappan site in Haryana. The site is called Birhana. Okay, yeah, this is all real. This is excavated material. Find a lot of decorations. You can see a lot of paintings that they have done. Can you see all these motifs?
This visit offered students valuable exposure to modern innovations and sustainable practices, particularly in areas such as sustainability and environmental awareness. The heart of the project was all about learning by doing. Students participated in several activities. They were divided into groups. They built miniature models of ancient Indus Valley farms on the Poetry Day and had a station activity where they collected different informations from each station. Based on these stations activities, they filled the informative writing booklets. So it was basically an interdisciplinary task where two subjects were connected together, where it was SS and it was English. We were filling informatory booklets, prepared a poster on the topic, and even we had a presentation on that. The major highlight of the academic session was the Socratic Seminar. In this student-led discussion, the classroom layout changed into a circle to encourage open dialogue between the students. So it didn't just state facts, they debated big questions. The focus was on comparing and contrasting the ancient world with today on the basis of compare and contrast chart. By using evidence from their research, students moved beyond simple yes or no answers. They participated in critical thinking, and the basic was the active listening. Whereas moreover, they were learning how to respect different viewpoints while drawing deep connections between historical successes and modern challenges.
Throughout the project, we only acted as a facilitator. Instead of giving lectures, we guided students through inquiry-based learning. While there were challenges like time management, organizing these large-scale trips, careful planning ensured that every student gets an opportunity to participate actively. Despite these hurdles, the execution of the project was highly successful. The enthusiasm, dedication, and creativity displayed by the students made this whole process of celebration of learning a truly enriching experience, not just for the students but also for the teachers. Overall, all the events stood as a testament of the power of experiential learning, leaving both books, students and educated inspired to continue in innovative approaches to the education.